Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know?
Too fast? That's normal. So we listen first. One sentence, many movies, until you can hear every word. Then I'll show you when to say it. Let's start.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Yeah, long time no see.
Long time no see.
Long time no see. You say it when you meet someone again after a long time. Months, maybe years. It is a warm, casual hello. Like this. Two old friends meet in the street. Long time no see. I know. You look great.
Long time no see.
Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
See?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? A stranger is in front of you and you want their name. Simple and direct. For example, a knock at the door. Who are you? I'm Sam, your new neighbor. Now listen for it a few more times.
Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Hold on a moment.
Hold on a moment.
Can you hold on a moment, please?
Hold on a moment.
Hold on a moment. You need a short pause. Wait, just a few seconds. For example, you are on the phone. Hold on a moment. Someone's at the door. Sure, take your time.
Please.
Will you hold on a moment, please?
How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know? How did you know?
How did you know? How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know? How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know? How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know? How did you know? Someone guessed your secret and you are surprised. Picture this, your birthday. Happy birthday! Chocolate cake, right? How did you know? Now hear it a few more times.
How did you know?
How did you know?
How did you know?
Give me a break here, okay?
Give me a break, will you?
Give me a break. You do not believe it, or it is just too much. It means, stop, please. One example. I ran 10 miles this morning. Give me a break. You woke up at noon.
Give me a break, okay?
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want?
What do you want, man? What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want? A direct question. Sometimes curious, sometimes annoyed. Listen. A little brother at your door. Can I come in? What do you want this time?
What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want?
What do you want?
Today you learned 6 sentences. Long time no see. Who are you? Hold on a moment. How did you know? Give me a break. What do you want? Say them out loud today. And subscribe for more movie English.